Are you looking for a reliable and accurate thermometer for your home or workplace? iProven DMT 489 is the best choice. Now have a look to some features. Measurement range of 32 degrees Celsius to 42.9 degrees Celsius and an accuracy of plus minus zero point 0.5 degf. This thermometer is perfect for taking quick and precise temperature readings. Measurement time of just 1 to 3 seconds. The iProven DMT 489 is also FDA approved, so you can trust that it meets the highest standards for safety and accuracy. Auto power off after 10 minutes. You won't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries or accidentally leaving the thermometer on. Its easy to read LED display and waterproof design. The iProven DMT 489 is the perfect choice for anyone in need of a high-quality thermometer. There are some pros and cons of the iProven DMT 489 digital thermometer. Pros number 1. The iProven DMT 489 digital thermometer is equipped with advanced technology that provides accurate readings, helping you monitor your fever with confidence. Number 2. This thermometer can provide results in just seconds, so you can quickly know if you have a fever and take the necessary steps to manage it. Number 3. The thermometer is simple to use, with a clear display and easy-to-follow instructions. Number 4. The iProven DMT 489 digital thermometer can be used orally, under the arm, or rectally, giving you the flexibility to choose the measurement method that is most comfortable and convenient for you. Cons number 1. The thermometer uses batteries, and if not used properly, the battery life can be limited, requiring frequent replacements. Number 2. If you are measuring the temperature of a young child, the rectal measurement method may not be appropriate. Number 3. To maintain accuracy and hygiene, the thermometer needs to be cleaned regularly, which can be time-consuming. Get your iProven DMT 489 today and start taking accurate temperature readings in seconds. For more details, you can please check our website at www.bestoutofbest.com. Thanks for watching.